Now we'll get to know the configuration of the torch movement and orientation during welding. We'll need to have set up the tool's TCP so that the orientation makes the torches stick out perpendicular to the robot's base. We'll also need to have properly configured the payload. We'll start by teaching the robot the welding trajectory for the workpiece. Make sure the wire is pointing at the weld joint. Now, we'll select the UWeld Movement tab. In this screen we can control the speed and acceleration of the trajectory. The first option shows the speed the robot will have when approaching and moving away from the welding trajectory, while the second option is the speed at which the robot will move through all the waypoints of the welding trajectory. It is needed to set the speed and acceleration parameters according to your application. It's important to consider the impact of speed on the welding outcome. We will notice the speed change when we run the program again. Now, we'll record the welding trajectory again, but this time we'll dramatically change the torch angle from the beginning to the end of the trajectory. We'll notice that the torch changes its orientation as the robot moves along the trajectory, which is not ideal for a welding process. It's possible to have the robot maintain the torch orientation teached at the initial welding position. Just check the box that says Fixed Angle in the Movement tab. We can see that without adjusting the final position, the robot maintains the initial orientation of the torch. To finish this tutorial, we'll create a new welding trajectory. Next, we'll see how to force the robot to maintain a travel angle and a work angle for the torch. In the Movement tab, we can see two boxes where we can enter the lead angle and the work angle, respectively. We can enter a custom angle in any box if needed. We can notice that the torch orientation has changed without needing to adjust the robot's waypoints. This is how UWeld integrates some of the robot's trajectory control functions. Thank you for your preference.